एक से पूरा भर गया।
Sugandhini, which chapter you want to understand? Which chapter you want to understand actually? Hello.
Yes, sir.
On your camera, Sugandhini, don't off. You have to just. Tell me, Sugandhini, which chapter you want to understand? Which chapter means surface and volumes, or which chapter you are just lacking behind? You want to understand the things.
That means in IIT.
You are in class 9th, right?
Yes, sir.
So, which all chapters you have done, and which all chapters you want? Means, shall you have read surface and volumes? You have read that this chapter.
Yes, sir. I have read it.
Okay, you have read already, right?
Yes,
So which
sir.
which all things you have read in this surface area and volumes? What all things you have read? Cone.
Surface area of cube, cuboid, cylinder,
Okay.
prism.
You read about cube, the next cuboid, next cone, right?
Yes, sir.
Then cylinder, like these things you have read, right? Cylinder, then
Yes,
sphere, and then hemisphere, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first I'm talking about cube. Okay. So what is cube? Sugandhini, what is cube?
Yes, sir.
What is cube? You know? What is cube?
Yes, sir. Cube has 6 faces.
Okay. What about sides? All sides are equal, right?
Yes, sir. All sides are equal.
Means your length, your breadth, and height all are same. Suppose
Height.
this
All are equal.
Yeah, all are. Suppose it is A. Okay. Suppose all length, breadth, and height are what? A. So we have to find volume, then CSA and TSA, right?
Yes, sir.
So volume is nothing but what is
cube.
A to the power 3. Or we can say area into height. Area into what? Height.
Height.
What is the area of cube? Area of a square, you know, A square is the area. And if you multiply
Yes,
by height, that is A, you will get A to the power 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what about CSA? What is CSA actually? What is CSA?
Curved surface area.
Okay, curved surface area. So what is the formula of curved surface area?
4a square.
4a square. How it is coming? Because curved surface area means where you're sitting in. Yeah, area of 4 walls, right? Area of what? 4 walls. Because if you're sitting inside a room, so the length, just front and back walls. What we are just talking about? Front and back walls, left and right walls, right? Left and right.
Sir.
These walls we are talking about. One wall is A square. One wall area is what? A square.
A square.
So how many walls are there in this?
4 walls. So 4a square.
Yes, very good. Now what is TSA?
Total surface area. We should calculate up and down walls.
Yes. So what is the walls? Yes. So what is the area of this?
6a square.
6a square. Okay. So fine. Now I'm asking one question based on this. The same cuboid is there. Cube is there actually here. Having side A is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Find the surface area of the cube if top has been removed. Top has been removed. It means that you understood what is the meaning of it. When this part is there, this topper part is there, not this part. This is not there. Okay, this is not there. Then how to
Yes,
find
sir.
this? How to find the surface area of this cube?
6a square minus a square, sir.
6a square minus a square. That is 5a
5a
square.
square. Yes, sir.
Now, what is the final answer for this?
5 into 25. 120.
Okay, 5 into 25, that is 120. Very nice. Centimeter square or centimeter cube?
Centimeter square, sir. Centimeter square.
Because area is two-dimensional, no?
Yes, sir.
So in area we writing is square. In volume part we writing
Volume we can write cube.
yes. Now second part of it is cube. This we read cube, right? This part is over now. Now we
Yes,
are just going through cuboid. Okay. So cuboid, I'll just make figure for cuboid here. So this is not like this. So what is the volume of cuboid?
L into B into H.
L into B into H.
Yes, sir.
What is CSA of cuboid?
Curved surface area is 2H into L plus B.
2 into L plus B. Are you sure?
2H into L plus B.
This is length, this is breadth, and this is height, right?
Yes, sir.
So first part volume is equal to, you told LBH, right?
Yes, sir.
LBH. CSA is 2H into L plus B,
L
right?
plus B.
And
Yes, sir.
TSA is
2 into LB plus BH plus HL.
okay. Now question is, find the find area of four walls. Find area of four walls. Okay. Your length is given. Length is 5, and breadth is 5 meters. Breadth is 3 meters, and height is 4 meters. Okay. You have to find the area of four walls. And
Okay, sir.
or better, what you do, no? Just write this in centimeter. Height is given in, suppose 400 centimeters given. How to find this?
Okay, sir. Sir, 2H into L plus B is the formula.
Yeah, okay, fine.
And height from centimeters to meters, 4 meters we'll get.
Okay.
Then
So,
2 into 4 into 5 plus 3. 8
okay.
into 8, 64.
Okay, very nice. So you know this, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is the answer? Final answer you got? Final answer is
64
64.
meter square.
Okay. Please keep on your cameras.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. I just got stuck. Cylinder also, you know, right? Cylinder.
Yes, sir.
So what is the volume of cylinder? So here you got the answer. I am writing here 2 into H. Again, your camera is off, Sugandhini.
Yes, sir. Some problem with it.
2HL plus B. So I'll write here 2 into 4, what you told, into L. L is the 5 and breadth is 3. So 8 into 8, that is 64 meter square, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me the cylinder part of it. Cylinder is
Its
what?
volume is pi r square H.
Okay. Next, what about the CSA of this?
2 pi r h.
2 pi r h. Okay. TSA is
2 pi r into r plus h.
okay. You know hollow cylinder? Hollow cylinder, you know?
No, sir, I don't have any idea.
Hollow means which is suppose this solid cylinder. No, this one is solid cylinder. Okay.
Okay.
Solid cylinder. Hollow cylinder means hollow cylinder. It means that this will be hollow from inside, like a pipe you have seen, no, water pipe or something pipe, wire one, where wire will
Yes,
go.
sir.
This like a hollow, like this will come like hollow. Means inside nothing will be there. This is a gap. This gap will be there here. It's having some thickness. It is having some thickness over here. Inside this one, nothing is passed. Here you can something will go. This gap is there. Okay. This is not a hollow. Hollow is there. Hollow means what? The water can pass through it or air can pass through it. Understood? Hollow. So this is having two radius. One radius is bigger one and small radius will be there. Okay. Sugandhini. There are two radius
Yes,
over
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
So which is the capital R? See, capital R is from center to the outer part of it. This is your whole thing, no? It's having some radius.
Yes.
So capital R you have, a small r also you have. And height already you know. What is the height? So what is the volume in this
Yes,
case?
sir.
What is the volume of this case? What we can write the volume? For the
Pi
house,
r square plus r square into h, sir.
pi r square.
Plus r square. R
Like this you are saying.
into h. Yes, sir.
No, this will not come. Now I'm telling you, if this is a big cylinder is there, right? So this is having capital R, radius is capital R, right?
Yes, sir.
We are going to remove this is inside part one cylinder, is small cylinder, that you're going to remove this, right? Because
Yes.
there nothing is there, it's hollow, right? So we have to remove this cylinder,
Yes.
small cylinder. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the volume of the bigger cylinder, Sugandhini? What is the volume of bigger cylinder? Suppose you are having two cylinder over here, right? One is here.
Yes, sir.
See, this is your big cylinder. So what is the volume of this? What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi
Pi r square h.
Okay, very good. Now a small cylinder is between this, right? A small cylinder will be there in between.
Yes, sir.
So this we have to remove from this, right?
Yes, sir.
So this volume will be what? This volume will be pi r square
R
h, correct?
square h. Yes, sir.
Because this having radius small r. Now
Yes,
what
sir,
is
small
what is the volume of hollow cylinder then? Pi
Pi
r is
r square minus r.
correct.
Yes, sir, correct.
So what we can write finally here? Finally, we can write it as pi and h common. You can write and
Yes,
r
sir. R
square
square minus
r
r
square.
square.
Or one more thing you can write pi h r plus r into r minus r.
R minus r. Yes, sir.
It's clear to you?
Yes, sir, clear.
Now, second last point I'm asking, this you got is this is your volume. Now, if I'm asking CSA for this, curved surface area, then what do you do?
Two pi capital R minus r into h.
2 pi, then capital R,
Minus r into h.
like this you are saying?
Yes, sir.
No, this will not come. Try CSA is entirely different. CSA is entirely different from this. Sugandhini, what is happening here? Try to understand the concept again.
Okay, sir.
CSA means the part which you can touch by your hand. Means this is your left hand part what you can touch. Means
Yes.
you can touch inside part also, outside part also, right?
Yes, sir.
See, I'm just telling once again here. This is your bigger cylinder in which you can touch which part you can touch over here. See, this part you can touch, correct?
Left part.
From the outside part you can touch like this, means whole
Yes,
circle.
sir.
So this CSA will be 2 pi RH. You have the formula like this, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Now you think about the smaller one also. In between, what is there? No, this one small cylinder again, correct?
Yes.
So this one also you can touch from inside this part. See, can you touch this part?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So what is CSA of this part?
2 pi
Plus
smaller h.
2 pi smaller h. Understood? So here
Yes, sir.
2 pi h is common. You can write r plus r. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir, clear.
That's why here we should add. Here we are subtracting. Remember, the things are getting
Yes, sir.
changed. The things are getting changed. Here we are subtracting the volume, and down
In
part we
curved
are,
surface area, we are adding.
yes, because we can touch both the surfaces, inner part and outer part also, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what about TSA, total surface area? See, total surface area in what you should do is, CSA will remain the same, right?
Yes, sir.
What we have to add extra into this? What we have to add extra?
The area which we can't touch.
See, top part now. I'm just seeing the top part now, just taking it out. See this one, top part of this. If you see the top part, you will get that like this, you think it, right?
Yes.
So what is the area of this one? Tell me, what is the area of this one? Pi r square
Pi
minus
r square
like, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is repeating how many times? 2 times. Why? Because one is at top and one is at
And one is at bottom.
very good. So one is top, one is bottom. So what we have to do here? 2 into, we should
2
write
into
here.
pi r square minus pi r.
Yes. So I'm writing down here 2 into pi r square minus r square, correct?
Yes, sir.
Again, we can write it as 2 pi r h r plus
Into r
r
plus r.
and 2 pi. What we can write for r square minus r square?
R plus r into r minus r.
R plus r into r minus r. Again, you can take common here. 2 pi and 2 pi is common. R plus
And
r,
r plus r is also common.
So 2 pi r plus r.
R plus r.
And then what we can write? RH in
R
bracket.
h into r minus r.
Yeah, plus no, plus r minus r, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So this is the TSA of hollow cylinder. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. So if I ask you to find the CSA of hollow cylinder, okay? CSA of hollow cylinder, and cylinder is having height as 7 centimeter, capital R is 14 centimeter, small r is 7 centimeter. The first you have to find the CSA of hollow cylinder, okay? And second question is cost of painting the same, painting it. Cost of painting the CSA part only, okay? The CSA
Okay.
at the rate of 15 rupees per centimeter square, okay? Per
Okay,
centimeter. So find the hollow cylinder, CSA of hollow cylinder.
Okay.
Tell me the formula first, Sugandhini. Tell me the formula.
2 pi h into capital R plus small r.
Like this, right?
Yes, sir. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 14 plus 7.
Okay. Then 7 will get cancelled.
Yes,
Then we
sir.
get 44 into 21, right?
Yes, sir.
What will come on multiplication?
Wait a second.
24, 21 fours are 84. Carry 8.
924
924. What will come here? 924 what?
centimeter square.
Centimeter square. Now second.
924 into 15, sir. Cost of 20.
924 into 15.
15.
On multiplying, what you get? This is rupees. How much you'll get?
13,860
860. Okay.
rupees. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you're having cone, right?
Yes, sir. Cone.
Okay. Now first bar is cone here now. So this is your cone question. So what is the volume of cone?
Volume is 1 by 3 into pi r h. Pi r square h.
Pi r square h, right? What is
Yes.
CSA of this?
Pi r into L.
What is TSA?
Pi r into L plus R.
What is difference between H and L? What is difference between H and L? What is difference between these two?
Height is from the middle, sir.
Okay. What is L?
From the center. L is the length of the side.
Okay, you can say slant height. Means
Yes, sir.
where children can sleeping right here, but it's playing ground.
Yes, a slant height.
Yes, slant height. Slant height. Okay. And this one is your vertical height, or you can simply height, you can say vertical height also, we can say. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And R is the radius.
R is radius of the base.
Suppose L and R is given to us. L and R is given. Suppose L is given 17. R is given as 8. Okay. How to find H?
Yes.
Can you find H from this? How to find H? You know how to find H over here?
By Pythagoras theorem, we can find that.
Okay. What is the height? Tell me by Pythagoras. After finding by Pythagoras theorem, what do you get?
R by 2.
R by 2.
R square plus L square.
Okay. H square is equals to what we can write? R square plus
R
L square.
square plus L square.
No. Think once again. This is not correct. Think once again. Because if you know Pythagoras theorem, so what we are doing in Pythagoras theorem, tell longest side. Which is the longest side? See, this is your triangle, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you see this, this is your height, this is your L, slant height, and this is radius. Okay.
Yes.
So what is the Pythagoras theorem? Tell me, what is the Pythagoras theorem?
L square is equals to H square plus R square.
But I'm asking here H. So H square, what we can write for H square? H square is equals to?
L square minus R square.
Very good. So H is equals to, we can write root over L square plus
minus
L square minus R. L square minus R square, right? So what
sir.
what you get the answer of H? Now you can find and tell me.
Yes,
What you
sir. Three, sir.
3 you get. L square is 17 square minus 8 square, right? How will get 3?
1 minute. Sorry. $289 minus 64.
289 minus 64. Okay. Next.
Under root of 225, that is 15.
Okay, 15. So height is equal to 15 units, right?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So this is the mainly you should understand how to find H, L, and R. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you can understand. Any doubts you are having till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Sugandhita, then this much only is demo part. If you're having doubt, you can ask. Okay.
Okay, sir. It's clear.
It's clear, no? Fine, fine.
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. So shall we close the meeting now?
Yes, sir. We can.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.